Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about the C++ course outline, which we will cover in all these tutorial sessions. So here is course outline. We will see what is C++ and its syntax, and how we can take print output and comments, and how we can use variables and take user input, and what are different data types that we use in C++, and operators that we can use to apply certain operations. And then we will study about the library of string and math. Similarly, we will discuss about conditions and switches and loops. And after that we will study about the function in C++, and which will also cover function overloading. What are these functions and what they perform, we will study step by step in the same manner. And then we will study about the advanced concepts of object-oriented programming, which are classes, objects, constructor, and encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, files, and exceptions. So if you are a student of BS and you are struggling with programming language, then these tutorials are very helpful for you. So stay tuned and make sure that if you're new on this channel, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so you can see new and latest videos about C++ programming. Thank you so much.